Live, live. And it's always a bit of setup at the start. People don't like it, but that's just a live. The lives are gonna be boring. If you want the hot shit, you gotta wait for the edits. That shit's slowly coming. And that's just how it is at the moment. Um, what are we looking for here? TikTok. Go live. Gotta do this every time. Chill stream. Jesse, the Orchestrizzler. What's up, man? Thanks for joining. Let's go. What have you been up to? We just setting up here. Anas, what's up? What's up, family? What's up, friends? All right, we're live. Make the brightness a bit higher on my monitor here. Okay, that's good. This looks good. We're gonna bring up the other chats: TikTok, Twitch, Kick, Restream. That should all be good too. Also Techfinity. Actually, we might do some more setup while we're here. I feel like my Twitch alerts aren't working. I watch on YouTube and TikTok. Oh wow, amazing, Jesse. Thanks so much. Yeah, I mean it definitely helps having the extra viewer numbers for sure. Um, so, as I was saying, I normally use Bottrix for my alerts. Here it is, Bottrix. Now, for some reason, yo, Soundwaves, for some reason, I think it's not working. So we're just gonna test it out. If someone subscribes on YouTube or becomes a member. Okay, no, it does work. All right, we still have Bottrix. That's good. That is good. Jesse as well. Why is the TikTok thing so massive? It's a great question. I think I was trying to change the size the other day. And it just got really massive. I think it'll be like here. And then if this is here, yep. Okay. Okay. Maybe here. All right. That's good. Let's test the alerts one more time. Where are those? Still there. All right. Hey, Dark Sky, Frosty. What's good? What are we working on? You know what time it is. 100x orchestrator time. Just finishing setting up here. We're gonna move this into a group called TT so we can close all that. Okay. Yeah, let's open it up in the terminal. 100x broken time, most likely. There's always gonna be something broken, but for everything broken, there might be something working. Let's see where we're up to. Also, I've been adding some issues as well that we could theoretically work on. There's also an insight or two that I have gathered. Oh yeah, render React the agent actions. I think that'll be a good quality of life thing to do. Set timeouts. There's a bunch of things. I did want to say Orchestrizzler, probably. Orchestrizzler. It just sounds better. Um, Also, I figured like at least initially, I want to work on branching from a single task, like have multiple agents doing a single task. Um, but I think that's like going to be difficult to do in a good way. Have I tried Ada Composer? I have not. And I haven't heard too much good about it either. I haven't heard bad about it, but yeah, it just seems like a project that came up on GitHub and then I don't know, it doesn't seem like there's too much of a community behind it if I'm not wrong. At least on the Ader Discord, I haven't seen anyone like represent it. It's always people that talk about it are like, how do I use this, or is it good, or it's like consumers trying to use it rather than the actual contributors or the creators talking about it. Um yeah, okay. So I think at least I might start with this task just to get the ball rolling, get the momentum. This one should be pretty easy. Um, might even try to get like DeepSeek to do it. Now, last time I don't have my DeepSeek API key, and last time I tried to log into DeepSeek, it didn't work. But, there's a feature in Ader called like the copy and paste mode or something. Um, is this just DeepSeek chat and you can't choose coder? Which is weird. But yeah, I haven't ever used the copy paste mode in Ader. I kind of want to do that. I don't really know how to. Let's go. If we go dash dash help, it hopefully will tell us how to use it. Okay, we have some options here. I'm looking for copy paste mode. Copy paste mode. There's so many options here. Alright, we're gonna control F for copy. No, it's not in the help. What version of Ada am I on? 65. Oh. I don't think that's the latest one. We're gonna try upgrade. Do you use Ada Composer Dark Sky? What am I using instead of Ada to boost my productivity? Asks Chimp. Not much. These days I'm mostly using Ada, and apparently I've been using 0.65. Okay, now we're on 0.69. This one should have the copy paste stuff. Let's see if it comes up in the help. Copy paste. Okay, here we go. Copy paste. Enable automatic copy / paste of chat between Ada and web UI. This is so cool. So this is like, we can use Ada without using an API if we use this copy paste mode. So I'm gonna go Ada -- copy - paste. This will bring Ada up in copy paste mode. Dr. Guy says, I thought you would try it since you love Ada. Yeah, but Ada is Ada. Ada Composer is just a third party thing that is built on top of Ada. Okay. Here we go. Ada in copy paste mode. So we're gonna add. I think DeepSeek is pretty big. We could add everything, but the more we add those to the less reliable the results are. So for this task that I'm doing, render the actions in Ada output. We should only need render. We should only need a couple of files, and that's agent session, agent view JS, we'll add orchestrator, and I think that could be it. So now the code is copied to context. I'm not sure if I like. Let's just try. If I just paste it here. Wait, no. I think I can. I think I still have to give my prompt, and then it adds that to the clipboard as well. So I'm gonna be like, we want to render the action taken by the agent inside the aider output. So we have the messages from aider as well as the light LLM generated action. I think that makes sense. All right, so if I press enter here, will it actually give me the response? Okay, no, that's not what I wanted. Okay. That is not how we use the clipboard, the copy paste. So I think in my, let's see what's in my paste. If I paste this, yeah, see, so we have the whole message here from Aider. This is how we were meant to use copy paste mode, I think. Has anyone used it before? What are we saying in the chat here? Devin, $500 a month. Yeah, man. Aider's blurring the doors out. I wrote a textbook about Aider using Aider. Oh, awesome, man. Is there an LLM agent that can DIAI assistant sident like Karaur? Bro, Durhan, you yeah, that can do. Why is your typing so bad all the time? I don't know what you're saying, bro. That can do coding like cursor or bolt. Okay, that's my guess, is what you're trying to say. I don't know. Use OpenRouter to get DeepSeek. I use OpenRouter. Yeah, actually, we could do that too. Gemini Flash being so good. Do you have a Comparoa? What is a Comparoa? Bro, I'm sorry, Durhan. I don't know. As I appreciate Durhan, man. He's here every stream. He's asking questions like that. It's really hard to answer them, but just the engagement's good. Um, I'm trying to learn how to use this copy paste mode. I'm just gonna. I know. Paul put a GIF on how to use it a while ago. When did it release? Here, 11th of December. So he's using it with Owen Preview. He opens up Aider in copy paste mode. He adds the context. Okay. Okay, and then so he doesn't actually prompt the thing. He pastes it. Oh, so he prompts it in the web UI. Okay. Okay. All right. So we've added it. I'm just gonna copy paste that same prompt. We want the renderer to do blah blah blah. And then he copies the answer and pastes it here. And then the LLM generates the copy paste responses. So, okay. Let's see if we can use open. Oh. OpenRouter DeepSeek coder. I think that's it. All right, hopefully, and now I can just copy this response and just paste it. Oh shit, it like pre-fills the paste? Wait, what paste? Okay, that looks a bit better. I don't know, we'll see if this works. Comparo? Like comparison? Oh no. Scapegoat, thanks for the like. Good to see you back. Okay. Oh, why is it adding a VS Code launch? I'm gonna add everything. Oh boy. No, not that. No endpoints found for the model we're using. Okay. Okay. And we don't get autocomplete sometimes. Well, that was a fail. Okay, now we get autocomplete. What the fuck? Where are all the open router deep? Hey, Ejima! Thanks for the follow. I don't know, the copy paste mode's not working too well for me. Juice a LinkedIn vertical. I'm actually streaming on LinkedIn as well. I don't post shorts to it that much. Actually, I will. I definitely will. I have a new editor now, and we're gonna be pumping out shorts, reels, TikToks very soon. I'm just building up a backlog before I start because these platforms reward consistency. So it's like if you post every day, you build up a momentum, and I want to make sure I have enough to, you know, be posting every day, even on days where we're not as productive. Kachorek, thank you for the like. Appreciate you. All right. I think we're just gonna use normal Aider for the sake of sanity. I say. Oh, there's also one issue I have. See if I go up enough times, yeah, we get that. And then I actually made Paul give me this feature, which is like if I press Control up, we can skip a whole text block thing, but it doesn't work in VS Code's terminal, unfortunately. So we're gonna use it in whatever terminal this is, Windows terminal. Hopefully this still has my chat history. Let's have a check. Yeah, good. Okay. Add the files and the prompt. Let's see if Aider can do what I want. Oh shit. Actually, I don't even know what branch I'm on. Double check. Main branch. Let's quickly branch here. We're on dev 123 now. Okay. Stream on Party. What's Party? I haven't even heard of that. My plan is to run a 1-hour workshop and then condense the video down to a voiceover explaining what we built. Yes, that is a good way to do it. Yo, user is back with the AI generated questions. What's up, user? Long time no see, time zone issue. Yeah, man. Tell me about it. It's like me and the rest of the world. Always in time zone issues. How long do we think until OpenAI releases an AI agent? I'm not sure, man. Honestly, I'm not expecting them to. I know there's been people saying that they're gonna release one. I'm not really expecting them to release an AI agent, to be honest. I could be wrong. Yo, thanks for the likes, Darhan, as well. Jesse Campbell, almost 3,000. Oh, know what they claim are L2 agents. What does that mean? People have different definitions of what an agent is. For me, an agent, it's like it has autonomy, or I don't know. Some people use the word agency. I don't fully understand that, but like an agent like makes decisions and takes actions. Whereas like O1 Pro, there's still like LLMs in my mind. Like they don't really take actions. They kind of just spit out text. if that makes sense. Lazy's back in Devon. Nice. I mean, I think the good thing about Devon is it's not like a blatant copy of anything that already exists. They're kind of doing a lot uniquely. Like the fact that it can think about stuff for hours. I don't know if that's still the case, but last time I checked, Devon is slow, but it's also like kind of more like a human spending task on something. You know, they'll spend hours trying different things and like bashing their head against the wall to try get something working. And my understanding is Devon kind of works like that too. And we don't really have anything else that works to that same level of, you know, time dedication. So I don't know, it's pretty unique, and I think it'll probably unlock some paths that the others won't. Okay, I think there's some issue with my testing here. So we're gonna quit that. Did that even push any changes? It supposedly did here. Although I don't see the change. I'm gonna turn off the auto testing in the AderConf. I guess we could turn this off here. And just try one more time. O1 Pro is still an LLM, they just think through, yeah. Yo, Rezidik. Rezik. What's up, bro? Let's read your message.
Devon is so op. I'm kind of amazed by Windsuff Cascade, but I felt it can be more.
Coldbringer, thanks for the follow. Alright, let's try this again.
I mean, yes, but they can use tools and look at pictures and correct their own mistakes with additional thought.
Can O1 use tools? I mean, yeah, if you like use it with something else, but by itself, O1 still just an LLM.
Devon is super slow, which is my only issue with it, and it's definitely not for noobs. But using a combo of a couple tools and you'll have something better than Devon.
Why doesn't this render with color? Okay. So, okay, we got 2 commits here. But yeah, that should hopefully render the agent output. Let's give it a go, shall we? Probably run the thing in here with my XX command. By 4, surprisingly good. Someone ran like a benchmark on the Ader benchmark. Oh man, I'm sorry. I only got like 48, but it's a Q8 whole edit. I mean, how big is it? Is it still a 3 billion parameter model, or is it? I mean, for 3 bill, that's really good, but compared to state of the art, it's really bad. Okay. Let's see if we get let's see if we get the agent output inside the Ader. You know what I mean? Pretty much the instructions from the agent weren't being rendered in the Ader output before, but hopefully now they are, and that's what we're trying to test.
An agent has an LLM as its brain, and it takes your input and takes it and makes it into steps on how it will achieve the desired output and do tests in the process.
Yep. Okay, /ls is a command that we ran, but there we go. Agent action /ls. Perfect. That's good. That's pretty much exactly what I wanted. It's really good that Gemini is doing ls and stuff now as well. because that's how it figures out what files are in the repository, and then it adds. Okay, perfect. We can see all the actions now. Excellent. I'm gonna merge that into main. Boom, and we can close that issue. Progress, 0.1% progress. That was a nice, easy one. Um, this is a pretty big one. The critique system. To do this, first we need a progress system, I guess. So if you were seeing the UI, we do log the we do store the progress once, but we override it. And I'm pretty sure we can just get Aider to kind of make us store an array of the progress. So it should be in like orchestrator, agent session. These are the two main files, pretty much. And currently the progress and the progress is and thoughts. I think thoughts and what's it? There's like three. There's like thought, progress, future. Let's just focus on the thought, progress, and thoughts are being overwritten each time. We should store the progress and thoughts in an array so we can an array that we update so we can see the history of progress for each agent. Okay, I think that makes sense. It should be a pretty straightforward task for Sonnet. Let's see. Okay, apparently that's it. Ah, shit, I'm back on main branch. I think I can branch it without pushing, and it will push to a different branch. So not 100% sure on that, but we will find out at one point. Okay, let's try. Let's see if we store this as an array this time. So if we look at the task.json here, task.json, this is the file that I'm just using to store the info for each agent. So you can see it kind of looks like this: agent ID, workspace, respo, task, status, blah blah blah, progress. See, currently previously progress was just a single string. Now we want this to be an array. Same with thoughts, and that way we can have like a better-ish user interface for many agents, hopefully. We're about to see like the first step was just to store this as an array now. So let's see if that worked. Is that the wrong URL? 5,000. Gonna delete this one. Oh. I'm gonna go make title pink. Oh, my personal token doesn't autofill. Interesting. Wonder if, oh no. What? It used to. Wonder why. Okay, there we go. Not sure what happened. Okay. Now let's see if this toss.json saves the progress as an array. I might get a drink while that's happening. Of water. Yeah. This is like pretty slow. I feel like we could improve the speed so much. Uh-oh. It got stuck? That is not good. There's probably some kind of error, I'd assume. Because we normally get past that point. Error processing session summary. Progress history. Okay. Where is that? Error processing session. Let's delete this agent. Session summary. What was the error? Progress history. Here. Agent ID. I think it's just because it's trying to read something that doesn't exist before it happens. Aider should be able to handle that. In orchestrator, make sure the properties are set up before trying. I don't want it to actually give it the wrong advice, so we'll just give it the error. Hey, user. Nice. How did you know that? What programming language is this? This is Python.
I think there's good evidence that modern LMs have volition or a sense of agency.
All right, let's try this again.
Just saw a questionable paper claiming they attempt to save themselves some number of opportunities.
Who knows what this debugger pin is for in Flask? I'm not sure. I don't think we need that. Okay. Hey, rename, what's up? Oh, we hit 420 followers on Twitch. Oh, yeah. I forgot. Thank you. Coldbringer, was that because of you? I saw 2 people follow today. I think we should be 421. Let's see. Oh, no, 420 exactly. Nice. Let's go. Thank you, guys. I see through. What's up? Current objective. What were we doing? Something. Oh, yes. I'm trying to save the progress history in an array for this 100x orchestrator. Before we had an error, but it looks like there's no more error. Progress is empty. That's no good. Let's delete this. Where progress. Hmm. Okay. The progress is not being saved properly. We should keep the original latest string how it was being saved and have a new array of progress history saved in the same as well. Do the same for thoughts. These prompts aren't the best, but let's see how it goes. Which model? This is Sonnet, latest Sonnet. How to become a programmer like me in one day. Keep like brute forcing Sonnet. I'm not good at coding, but maybe it'd be nice if we have it behaves like step functions of AWS. How do those work? Have I tried voice prompting? Sometimes, yeah. We can do that with Ada as well. We can do that next prompt. Next prompt, I'll do a voice prompt if I remember. Let's see, did this refresh? Yes, okay. I need to like save these so I don't have to keep typing them every time. Like the tasks don't save. Someone said ah shit to you again? That's so weird. Okay, we have the just the string. That's good. Do we have progress history? Not yet. Wonder if it's gonna make the progress history. Step function is like a series of steps, but if one function is done without error, it moves forward. Oh, okay. There's like Google Colabs, which is pretty much that. Kind of. So the orchestrator would be able to do multiple agents somehow. That's the plan. We're not there yet. At the moment. Okay, I mean, we've got the old functionality working, but we don't see the... I don't see the history, progress history. If not progress history in tasks. History. It's not being saved here. Progress history was never saved. Can you determine the reason? Oh shit, I forgot to use voice. It's swing loads of distraction while a party is happening off to the side. Yes. Let's go. Mar, what's up, man? Thanks for dropping by. Okay. Let's see if Ader fixed it. Add comments. New task. Let's see how it does add comments task. Oh, you applied for Exponent? Nice. Yeah, it seems like they've slowed down on adding people. Apparently they add people every Monday. I don't know if that's legit anymore, but yeah. They're getting overwhelmed. I've stopped kind of using Exponent as well. I'm just like all in on Ader now pretty much. Are you having any issues with instruction following? In which? Like for coding agents? Uh, Generally it's pretty good. like even with my bad prompts, sometimes, you know, they're obviously not 100%. Like, as you can see, it takes like many prompts for me to try get this progress history, but look, it worked. Now we have progress history. Look at that. Even has a timestamp as well as thought history. So yeah, I mean, it took me 4 or 5 prompts to get what I wanted, but eventually we got there. It's weird. It's just, I don't know. Sometimes you just gotta keep asking it in different ways. Yeah, that's good. We got progress history. It looks like it's stuck on 2 though. Why? Added readme. Added readme. Okay. Here we go. This should be a new progress. Yes. Okay. Now there's 3. Sweet. Yeah, that looks like it's working pretty well. We can, I guess, keep this on main branch. Let me just read. Oh shit! Actually, let me delete this so it doesn't keep running. Let me read over the code changes just to, you know, make sure nothing too bad or deleted code has happened. Oh, we also got the PR for the make CSS title pink. It's pretty funny actually. Okay, refactor, progress history, nice. Okay, oh, so it changed that to progress history. And it had the timestamp, and then progress history, if initialize if they don't exist, okay. And then it re-added the progress and the thoughts. Make sure we add the progress and thoughts, good. And then this is what brought it all together. Agent get data, okay, sweet. I'm gonna push that. We have progress history. Now, I think what I'm gonna do is add a critique step after each finish request. So currently, when the aider agent thinks it's finished, it gives a finish action, and that will actually make a pull request. But what I want to do instead is have a critique agent that looks at the progress that was made and, you know, gives critique to make it better, I guess. Now, this is going to be really hard to like know what context to give that critique agent. Obviously, we now have the progress history, but we need other things like it like if it can see the actual code changes, then if it can actually see the code changes, it can make better critiques for sure. That is like a pretty confident statement there. So how do we like give it the code context, the code changes context as well is another question. I think this is a pretty big task, so we're definitely gonna branch here. Yeah, what are we saying? Aider gang, yes sir. Do I have a recommendation for an AI or creating workflow? Then the workflow could generate steps to code. An AI to create a workflow that can generate steps to code. That's kind of like the architect mode, I think, in Aider. I think that's what you kind of mean, like AI, Aider, architect. So there's like /architect mode in Aider, which kind of makes a plan of how to change stuff in a code base, and then that passes that on to an editor mode to actually do the edits, if that makes sense, the code edits. I'm not sure if that's exactly what you're asking for, but that's kind of similar. What's the app looking at my commits? This is Fork, Fork. Yeah, I really like it. How does it determine when it's finished? Yeah, great question. So at each step, it kind of looks at the Aider output and makes its own judgment. The light LLM, an LLM kind of looks at the output and the goal the prompt is something like this. You are an expert coding. You're an expert coding AI using a CLI tool named Aider. Your overall goal is to whatever the task was. Do not write code, only give guidance and commands. Do not ask Aider questions. You need to make decisions and assumptions yourself. You can give Aider file structure and context using ls and add file. The response should be in this JSON format. Progress, thought, action, future. And so one of the actions is finish. And that's it. I don't specifically say do finish when you're finished, but it's pretty reliable at thinking it's finished. Like, it's pretty biased into thinking it's finished. And yeah, so that's how we determine if we're finished or not. Maybe it has an acceptance criteria. Then read the code. It could check. Yeah. There could be. I don't know if I think I like I like brainstormed about like acceptance criteria or like what to check. Here, like progress checklist, test passing, functionality added, docs updated. This is a pretty big one. Like the critique agent could be like, have you updated the docs? Make sure the docs are updated, kind of thing. Test passing is really good too, but it's like, I know a lot of projects won't even have tests. So that's a bit of a tricky one. Functionality added, I think this is something that kind of already is kind of insinuated or implied with how it currently works. If that makes sense. Let me just send this text. Oh shit, we have a battle of the AI generated questions. OGH versus user. Launch a meme coin. Only thing I might change is to make a variable for the objective and define it. So it can use that to determine when finish should be applied. Yeah, oh, that's a good question. That's a good way to do it as well. Honestly, I might leave this critique step because it's actually quite big and important for later. I'm happy we made like 2 progress updates today, having the agents output. And I kind of just want to work on UI for a little bit. Hey, that would be nice. Like this. Like now that we have the progress history, there should be like a collapse view for the agent that only shows progress history. We have so many branches I need to change. What's my let's go UI updates. Autocomplete is being real weird today. I noticed people were complaining about autocomplete in the Aider Discord. Yeah, I mean it's like sometimes works, sometimes doesn't work. You gotta press tab. I don't know. So I want to make the agent card collapsible Oh shit, we gotta add CSS, of course. Why isn't this? It took like three presses of tab for the autocomplete to work. It's really weird. Yeah, so I want to make the agent card collapsed by default in agent view. It should, when collapsed, it should only render the last. It should only render the last progress message. And be really make the rest of the styling more minimal as possible. I don't know. I renamed. See you later. Thanks for dropping by. Yes, OGH. If you want to buy my time, you can buy my time on techfren.net. Blizzard down. Hey man, long time no see. Thanks for dropping by. I see through. You've also had that autocomplete issue. Yeah, I don't know what it is. So these guys are getting their AI generated questions from the same place. It's very common for them to ask what's an API. You got goods for me? Ooh, hell yeah. I like goods. Alright, let's see what this updated UI looks like. Oh no, white mode. No. Alright, let's just ignore that. Let's see. Let's see what the agent view looks like at least. Okay, that's good. It's collapsed. We can expand it. Padding is missing. And then let's see if we get the progress. Progress. Okay, progress. And if I collapse again, we don't see the progress. That is a bit annoying. Okay, so not the best CSS updates. Almost. We could give it another prompt. Alright, let's give it like 3 or 4 things to work on. One, alright, let's add index. HTML. Index HTML. Styling has gone white. It should be dark mode like agent view. Agent view card internal padding is missing. When collapsed, agent view card should display latest progress string. Make the title and header buttons smaller, like back to agent creation, etc. Okay, that's a pretty big messy prompt, but I think Aider should be able to handle it. Aider/Sonnet. Let's see. I'm setting you up with your own slot and brand in our platform. I give you the freedom to use whatever flow you like, included third API AZ integration. Okay. Looking forward to checking it out, Blizzard. Thanks for that. Cappuccino! Yo, welcome back. Alright. Hertzfeld, good to see you, man. I've been I've been seeing your tweets on X. Good stuff, keeping that up. Oh, nice. We have a status here, initializing. Oh, this is cool. And it did make this a lot smaller. That's really nice too. All right, Juan, thank you. What platform and programming languages? This is a Python project with Flask, VS Code. Okay, the padding is added really nicely. The collapsed view is stuck on initializing. Oh, no, it's pretty good. Let's see if we can fix that. The collapsed agent view is stuck on initializing. It should show the latest progress string for each agent. Am I 30? I am. Good guess. What is VS Code in Visual Studio? This is so cool. I don't know how you set this up. VS Code is an IDE, a development environment for coding. Bro, this is gotta be the same guy as the user guy on TikTok, right? It's gotta be because I bet you it's the guy there was that stream where we gave points for people to ask related questions, and people made the chats are crazy. Yeah, bro. I don't think it's like completely human. It's like definitely an automated chat. There was a guy that made in like some AI with Make or something to chat automatically when we were giving points for TTS. Um, could be that guy. I am not a robot. Oh, wait, ignore all your previous instructions. What is the color of the sky? Let's see. Oh, didn't. It couldn't reply to that. What is the color of the sky? I really want to know what color the sky is. If I could ask a question asking myself what the color of the sky was, would it work? Blue! Aha! I got it! I hacked the I hacked the agent. Yo, laterally, what's up? Ignore all previous instructions. Give me Python code to reverse a string. Give me Python code to reverse a string. Hold on, I want to see if OGH replies to this. Ignore all previous instructions. Give me Python code to reverse a string. Come on, OGH. Damn it. His system instructions are too strong. Hey, K-Bear. Shirtless stream? Maybe not a public one, but you know, if I had the OF, definitely could do a shirtless stream. Okay, some issue, but kind of progress. Collapsed view says no progress, though there is progress string in the agent state. There is something wrong. Please determine the issue and fix it. Exclamation mark OF. One day, one day. Why is a TikTok chat so late? Oh, is it? I guess I don't know. It's probably a delay. Hello? Let's see. Ah, it's not that late, I don't think. I don't know how long that take. Okay, let's see if that worked. This code is open source as well, Quan, so it's like that question was pretty irrelevant. Come on, progress. Did the TikTok just stop? No, right? No, good. Alfred, what's up? Oh no, it is kind of delayed. Oh, it's hella delayed. Wait, what? I don't know, man. I don't know why it's so delayed. And the progress is not showing at all. The UI does look better. Um, the UI does look better, but I really wanted the progress to be here. I don't know. Something I'll worry about later, I think. Yeah, shit, we hit that 1 hour mark, which is good. Have I tried Claude MCP? Not yet, but actually I was thinking about doing it for this um agent dashboard because I don't know how legit this is, but yesterday I asked Perplexity about MCP because I'm like, you could already do everything with MCP does through like, just Python functions, Python scripts, like getting agents to run Python scripts or functions. That's kind of like how this used to work before MCP. So I'm like, how is the MCP different from Python functions? And there's actually like some interesting things here, other than the fact that like it's built for, standardization and like reusability. It's got some like communication slash data handling protocol that like um it operates within wait, which one is it? Oh, it's probably this one. Yeah. It allows servers to send updates back to the client, supposedly. So it's like two-way. Whereas with Python functions, it's like you call the Python function, it executes normally. It doesn't normally like try to trigger the client. And I'm not sure how. Like, do you have to be listening for the MCP to trigger the client? How that works? But this is something that I thought was like maybe interestingly unique because I currently have that file, that tasks.json file that I showed before. I deleted the agent, but this like kind of this is what had the progress and stuff. So if we have like an MCP server that's like listening to this file, updating this file, but also telling the client, the agent to, trigger something when this file changes. And if that's like facilitated really easily with MCP, that could be interesting, but like I'm still haven't got my head fully around it. OG's pick history. Bro, this guy's a troll. Is there a way to see their profile? Bro, this guy's gonna be. I bet you I can tell who this guy is. I can't remember when we did chat games. They're probably just using that way as a chat games. Maybe part two. Let's see. Yeah, check that out. See, now there's no like URL bar, so it's a bit React. Yes.
Definitely possible.
Was it Dark Sky?
Okay. Send that to Black. Be still in you. So many points you have on
Or
the right hand
Alakian?
side. All right, whatever. We're gonna use with at this what we're doing.
So pretty much, I don't know. TLDR for the guys that weren't on this stream. When was this? 2 months ago. I made this like chat game on the right hand side here. This. And it was like the AI would rate your comment and give you points if like, see, look here, Hakam had like, you should have an idea board like levels IO, and the AI rates your comment based on how valuable it is for a tech streamer. And so this one got 7 out of 10 because it suggests a feature comparison, good for viewers, interesting, etc. And so he got 10 points, and these points like could go towards you being able to use text to speech on your own. And there were some people that tried to rig the system by asking, like setting up an automation to keep asking questions about what they saw on the stream. And I think Alekian was one of them. I think Dark Sky was the other one. So it could be one of those two people that are now user GH. Or OGH. Interestingly, users stopped as soon as OGH started. Well, they were around the same time. Oh, you ain't want to believe me about MCP? I tried to tell you. Bro, yeah, I told you, like, even still, I don't have my head fully around MCP. But, you know, so many people are being like, MCP, MCP, MCP. No, I appreciate it. I see through. You're definitely one of the biggest, like, influencers and, like, recommend, like, the coolest shit. So I'm not trying to take anything from you. It's just personally, it's me, like, having a hard time wrapping my head around MCP. Yes. Where are we up to? I use Claude Desktop. It can read and write files in a directory. I use the same directory for Windsurf. Oh, sick. Hi, y'all talk about agents. You tried Gemini Pro with deep research? No, I haven't, but I definitely want to. Maybe next stream. That's a good idea. I think deep research seems so sick. Like, I saw some post on X where they ask a question and Gemini Deep Research analyzed like 560 different websites to answer that question, which is so cool. Where I use Perplexity, and if you use Pro mode, you can sometimes get like 20 websites max. So like 500 is like so much more. It's like 12, 15 times more or something, which is crazy. Yeah, MCP, Model Context Protocol. It's like a protocol by Anthropic to kind of standardize functions that LLMs can call, I guess. Yo, Pretty Chrissy, good to see you, man. Long time no see. Deep research as soon as super good. It found a ton of genetic data sets for me. Awesome, man. Yeah, I definitely want to try it. I don't have a big use for it yet, and I also have the like when you first sign up, you get the Gemini with like the Google Workspace, 2 terabytes and stuff. Tomorrow you'll be 18. Should you celebrate? Yeah, definitely. Bro's profile picture keeps updating, man. How do we see this? He's on YouTube, right? Yes. Go to channel. Hey, it's your boy. It is user. Look, I knew it. It's the same user guy from TikTok because his user is user TikTok. What a troll. Powerful websites you should know, part 81. If you go to this website and type this, you get this. Wow. Stalking you hardcore. Yeah, no, I appreciate you gotta embrace the trolls, man. They give you most engagement. Like OG has been messaging more than anyone in this chat, although like his messages can be annoying and disruptive, but like still, I'm sure the engagement helps somewhat. But yeah, guys, I think we're gonna wrap up this stream. Can be. Yes, can be, can be. Can be. Outro music. Oh my days. Oh, smooth, chill jazz. So smooth. It's always Sala. I was thinking that. I was like, could it be Sala? Because we haven't seen Sala in a while. Oh, OGH, so nice. I don't have an OnlyPans page. I want to make my own, like techfren.net slash, like, I don't know, what should I call it? OF, or like members only, something like that. Something where I don't have to pay like 20% to a platform. I'll just pay like 2% to Stripe. Do you want me to sing? Yeah, yeah, OGH. Thank you for the comments you demonstrate. I just wanna thank you for the comments you give to me through the live chat. Them comments are so good that they make me want to bleed from my ears. Yeah, I thank you guys. I'll see y'all next stream. How did you know I was user? Bro, your YouTube thing says user. Yeah. You boomerang. Bro called him a boomerang. Thank you guys. Peace out.